Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, another day that's fairly similar to yesterday.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to see a kind of a repeat of days here as we hit in the week where we've got the humidity. We got these southeasterly winds at around 10, 15 miles per hour. And we're going to see some flattening of that ridge that was out to the west. That'll allow some disturbances to work off the front range. Yesterday, all that activity stayed in Colorado. Looks like this afternoon it'll work its way to the Kansas-Colorado line somewhere around evening or sunset, and then cross that line mainly north of I-70 and in that Three Corners area. In those St. Francis, Dundee County, Benkelman, out there in Ray, that area, we could pick up maybe an isolated severe storm, some heavy rainfall, some activity there. And as it moves off to the east and northeast, it will likely dissipate when the sun sets. Out there this morning, we're starting out around 60 degrees in Burlington and Goodland. We got 65 in Colby, 64 in McCook. We got a southeasterly wind at 10 miles per hour. This afternoon, those temperatures again will be right around that 90 degrees, maybe those lower 90s. Those storms will pop out in Colorado in the afternoon. We'll watch them, see how far they get in the evening. One or two could be severe. I think most of the activities out in Colorado. Then overnight lows will drop into the 60 to 65 degree range, and tomorrow it's more of the same. I'm going to see stuff developing out in Colorado, working its way across the line towards the evening hours. This time we do have a marginal risk for severe weather to the west of Highway 283. So that is mostly on the Colorado-Kansas line and east for tomorrow. Looks like kind of a repeat going into Saturday in that same area. So we'll have 2 days of thunderstorm activity. That'll be during that flattening ridge time frame. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s for highs. Lows will be in those lower 60s. Again, the southeast winds continuing to pump that moisture and humidity into the area. When we get to Sunday, Monday, heading towards Tuesday, that high-pressure ridge will kind of build over the Oklahoma-Texas panhandle. That'll shift the thunderstorm activity to the north and to the east. So McCook, Norton, Oberlin, places north and east of there probably have the best threat for thunderstorms. And we'll see temperatures push up there in that 90 to 95 degree range. So it will get hot. The air could be a little bit drier, however, a little less humidity, allowing that heating up. And then we got a trough and low pressure coming from the west. We'll keep an eye on it to see if it cuts off, how much activity it has on it. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the middle parts of next week, we should keep thunderstorms in the forecast, and maybe that trough will cool us down a little bit, bring some more activity into the area. We're looking at highs in the upper 80s, maybe right around 90, and those lows in the upper 50s to around 60.
All right, once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.